Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce risk with MetLife, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to reduce risk with MetLife can be instrumental for both individuals and businesses. Start by assessing your current risk exposure. Evaluate your insurance needs based on personal or business situations. Visit MetLife's official website for comprehensive information about their product offerings. Explore the various types of insurance products available, such as life, health, auto, and property. Consider your unique circumstances when choosing the right products. Engage with MetLife's risk assessment tools available online. Utilize these tools to understand your specific risks and the coverage you may require. Consult with a MetLife representative for personalized advice. Prepare a list of questions to guide your discussion about risk management strategies. Discuss your financial goals and any potential risks you foresee. Review the coverage options that MetLife provides to address those risks. Consider bundling different insurance products for potential savings. Analyze the benefits of each policy in the context of your risk profile. Look for additional resources offered by MetLife, such as risk management articles and webinars. Stay informed about industry trends that may affect your risk exposure. Implement risk mitigation strategies recommended by MetLife professionals. Regularly review and update your insurance coverage as your circumstances change. Keep track of your claims history and adjust your coverage accordingly. Consider establishing an emergency fund as a supplementary risk management strategy. Make risk reduction a continuous process, revisiting your strategies as needed. By understanding and leveraging MetLife's resources, you can significantly reduce your risk exposure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.